Hello guys! For those of you who do not know me, my name is Leia and welcome to A Touch of Glam. Today is the day that we are transforming our home for this Christmas season, and I cannot be more excited and overjoyed to share with you all this wonderful and most special time of the year as we celebrate gratitude, family, comfort, and gatherings that warms our hearts. But before we move forward to the rest of the Christmas decorating magic, this video is sponsored by my good friends of Amorho. Driven by the belief that bathrooms should be a sanctuary of relaxation, Amorho, with 20 plus years of durable elegance at an affordable price experience, their vision is to bring high quality and luxurious LED bathroom mirrors into more homes, creating the perfect bathroom space and elevating the quality of life trusted by more than 20 million homes. As the year soon approaches to an end, we are so excited for what the new year will bring to us. We have so many amazing plans to share with you all for the coming new year, as we will be doing more makeovers to help you with our main goal in this channel, that is to simply share inspirations and ideas with you all. In doing that, our friends from Amorho has already began to help us with their LED mirror with front and backlit in the size 72 by 36 inches for our bathroom vanity, for the future bathroom makeover that has never been seen before, that you will see very soon in the coming year. Featuring double built-in LED light bars, this LED bathroom mirror offers customizable lighting with 3 color options and is double LED vanity and provides bright illumination. Perfect for makeup, shaving, or beauty care. There's no dark spots or shadows, just crystal clear reflections. With a touch of buttons that is easy and convenient operation, this versatile LED mirror allows you to change the color temperature between warm, natural, and white, and can adjust brightness to your comfort level with ease. It is equipped with an intelligent memory function that preserves your light settings even after turning the mirror on and off. Made with tempered glass and shattered-proof features and epoxy coating, their mirrors are built to withstand impact, with its anti-corrosion and shatter-proof design that can withstand the test of time. We love that there's a feature of an anti-fog function in the center, ensuring clarity even when the bathroom is filled with steam and moisture. Amorho's anti-fog technology ensures that there is no need for wiping after a steam-filled bath. There are a range of sizes and styles to choose from to fit any bathroom needs. Amorho provides all the necessary parts in one, making installation simple and easily done. Their aim is to make installation easy for all with their step-by-step instructions. We can already tell that it'll be an easy installation process. I also love that they offer a 3-year warranty for their LED mirrors, and they are easy to reach if you would have any questions or concerns. They are also doing an amazing Black Friday sales event that is happening now on their website and wants to help you even more with a discount code that I will provide for you on the description box below. Discover innovative designs with Amorho. Thank you, Amorho, for sponsoring today's video. Without further ado, let's continue on with the rest of this Winter Wonderland Christmas themed decorating video. Today, I will be showing you several parts of our home as we decorate our grand staircase, formal living room, and dining room for Christmas. Personally, for our family, this is the time of the year where we look forward to this season when we get to decorate and celebrate for the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. With God's perfect love, Jesus is born to give us the greatest hope, our Emmanuel, God with us. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. I love making my family feel special and loved on their birthdays. I envision decorating my home as I am decorating the best that I can for Jesus' birthday. So today, come with us as we share how we have done so, as we show you Christmas decorating ideas and inspirations in the theme white, sparkles, and snow in our Winter Wonderland Christmas themed home. Please continue watching till the end to see how and what we use to decorate and for the final reveal. I want to thank you all so much for being here, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you have watched till now, thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video gave you the inspirations and ideas you need to decorate your home this Christmas. Please kindly give this video love by clicking that thumbs up button. I would love and really appreciate it. Share this video with your family and friends that also need some Christmas inspirations and ideas, because your sharing is caring. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope today you consider being part of the Glam family. To all my amazing, wonderful, beautiful Glam family, thank you so very much for your continued love and support. I love each one of you. I am so excited to share with you all the next week's video. It will be our main living room Christmas decorating video, and I have tons to share with you all. So I hope to see you then. Have an amazing week to come. God bless you all abundantly. Sending big air hugs and blowing kisses your way. Bye!